shining light. Agony, humiliation, worry becomes things of the past, and you experience a change of humility. You become more human, confident, courageous, and feeling comes within you that you are the best creation of God. Ruchika book is really a guiding force for transformation, and she has covered the subject in a poetic manner. Bamboo thought for a while, and it said okay, and he gave himself up. So Shri Krishna cut the bamboo and made holes in it, and each time he carved the holes, the bamboo was crying in pain. Shri Krishna made a beautiful flute out of it, and this flute was with him all the time. The gopis were jealous of flute and asked the bamboo to tell them the secret that Lord treasures you so much. The bamboo said, the secret is that I gave myself, and he did whatever was right for him. So this is the complete surrender where God can do whatever He wants with you, whenever He wants, as He wants. Trust Him completely and have faith in Him, and always know that you are in His hands. What can go wrong? This is Sabarkar. I wish the best to Ruchika for her efforts to give the society a very valuable gift in the form of this book. Patrick said, for such a lovely gift to the society. Thank you once again.
A huge round of applause for her. To William Shakespeare. And who knows it better than Dr. Vikram Chopra, who himself has combined his work into an art, Shakespeare, the Indian icon, which got appreciation letter from former US President Barack Obama. He has born in a family which is servant of nation and widely inculcate the feeling of nationalism. His father, he is former English professor in ARST College, Delhi University. So I request with a huge round of applause Dr. Vikram Chopra to show light and colors of the book and love.
It's an honor to be here today. The round of applause always goes to the sense of beauty, sense of truth, the spirit of bravery, spirit of courage, the soul of wisdom, the bravery, both the indomitableness of the human spirit that brings you success, motivates us to go high in life, eagles flight, go high and high, and yet retain which are the humility of it. As from Vivekananda had of giving the highest level of spirituality that Swami Ramakrishna had, who could just embrace anybody in the world, that Christ had, who washed if you remember, that he, before the last day, last supper, he washed the feet of all his disciples. You just feel, not only you don't share somebody's pain, you own the pain and suffer it. Every particle of that pain you suffer in your sensibilities. As he says that one will say that I have particular energy and love in every ounce of my blood. I think when you have every ounce of your blood, it also becomes part of your every drop of your blood. When you are a true person, I remember of business one word, एक वक्त का बहता है लहू नस नस में बहता है, ये जहाँ नहीं रहता वहाँ नहीं रहता. It branches the entire every pore of your existence. She says in such a way that I am born for love, to be in love and to be loved. Love is such a comprehensive, as said that people would also equate love with God. Can't equate love with God or not. Love itself is as rich, whether you are a theist or you are an atheist. She also says in a place that selfish man cannot experience, cannot have that. He is sort of a prisoner of his own small cage, that he has no possibility. I am not talking about the physical, the vision. Vision is a distant word for him. He lives in that small, petty circle and lives in that creative pettiness, limited his own self, and lead that cursed, lonely existence. Nobody in the world, he loves nobody at all. Don't love himself, because if you love yourself, that is that, then you will love the entire creation. And this life as such that comes to us, what are we born for and what do we live for, and what is our role on this planet, this earth. Life, enormous possibilities. To quote a word from Shakespeare, as in Hamlet, that says, what a piece of work is a man. What a piece of work. How noble in reason, how infinite in faculties. Infinite, remember the word. We all talk about finite, we are finite in our bodily physical existence. I can't touch the sky, can't touch the roof. Physically you are confined and finite. But emotionally, you can have, if you pardon me, just a thought comes to mind that emotionally you can embrace the entire mankind. I once in the class sat with talking about Othello. He said this occurred to me, thought occurred to me, and maybe you will appreciate that thought. Maybe you think also that with the thought. That this, our heart, is just an ounce of flesh, if you talk in physical or medical terms, But this ounce of flesh contains, if you really care for it, if you really want to measure the vastness and depth of 7 oceans. कहते हैं ना, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि लाख गहरा हो सागर तो क्या, प्यार से कुछ भी गहरा नहीं, लाख गहरा हो सागर तो क्या. In depth of 7 oceans. 7 oceans contains the height and majesty of 7 mountains. You determine to decide, you will be firm, you are unshakable, as he said. If you are unstoppable, nothing in the world can stop you if you are unstoppable. पहाड़ तक भी कांपने लगे तेरे जुनून से, तू आसमां पे इनकलाब लिख दे अपने खून से, जमीन नहीं तेरा वतन है, आसमां शहीद हो, वतन की राह में वतन के नौजवान शहीद हो, पुकारते ये जमीन आसमां शहीद हो. तो पहाड़ कांपते हैं, पर ये कहते हैं ना कि दिस nerve of steel, mountains will melt. पहाड़ पिघलेंगे. देखिए मांझी ने कितनी बड़ी बात कर दी. 25 साल तक के पहाड़ चीर दिया ना. फिर देखिए बात बिहार में अकेले इंसान ने पहाड़ चीर दिया. अकेले से पहाड़ चीर दिया, 25 साल लगा था. तो पहाड़ तक भी कांपने लगे. और क्या हमारे क्या लगा कि कई लोग गुलामी के टाइम में, जब हमारे पास एक अनफॉर्चुनेट पीरियड था, जो स्लेवरी का ब्रिटिश का, के लोग दे यूज्ड टू सेलिब्रेट देयर स्लेवरी. दे फील इतनी स्लेवरी हमारी एक बड़ी शान की बात, ग्लोरीफाई. पहले एक शेर ने कहा, शायर ने कहा ना कि लानत के गुलामी में बशर गैरत के माने भूल जाता है, पहनकर तो कौमत का शिर भूल जाता है। यू लानत, यू फील humiliated and small and feel honored in feeling small. You sense of dignity, जो बात कही ना, sense of dignity, self dignity, self esteem, self pride, belief in your uniqueness. जिसे आजकल बहुत then the capacity to trust you, हम कहते हैं तो even to British time, people many would feel that you know that life is this is our fate. अभी भी you still find people who are so stupid and unpardonable, who say that you know time अच्छा था. I mean, how can we even talk of that? How can you even tolerate such a very concept? That what is the question of slavery? Freedom to be valued. The first free to be whatever you want. 23 मार्च को आने वाली अभी 22 मार्च के दिन भगत सिंह बैठा हुआ पूछता है उस राजगुरु से, बोले मेरे को अफसोस है मरने का, मर फांसी है। भगत कह रहे हाँ अफसोस मुझे तो है। So यही है that they want the quality, the quantity, the enormousness of which they want to serve mankind and the country. And just they will serve only 1% of it. And live would serve 99 times more. ये भगत सिंह के शब्द। और तो राजगुरु से पूछता कह रहे तुम्हें लोग तो कह रहे हाँ अरे सोच क्या होगा, तो एक जो शहीद की मौत है, ये तो ये कह रहे वो कह रहे एक बार सिरात मरना 100 जन्मों के समान है, इसे ऑनर इट और डाई फॉर द कंट्री। कह रहे हमने लोगों को मैं एक बात करूँ 1931 की बात कर रहा हूँ, 22 मार्च की। राजगुरु कहते हैं कि हमने लोगों को ये दिखा दिया है ईश्वर आ सकता है भाइयों, freedom can come, independence can come. 1937 में सुभाष बोस डलहौजी में जाइए, वहां लिखा हुआ है, वहां पे लिखा है, अभी लिखा है। Today we are saying it, tomorrow you will see. आज हम कह रहे हैं, कल तुम देखोगे इंडिया आजाद होगा। अजीत सिंह भगत सिंह के जो चाचा थे, उन 15 अगस्त 1947 को उनकी डेथ हुई थी डलहौजी में। तो ऐसे लोग जो full of you can think of ऐसे लोग you can and this last this community sentence of Shakespeare था, what a piece of sorry third what कहा था मैंने, it will contain this ounce of flesh can contain the vastness and depth of 7 oceans, the majesty and strength of 7 mountains, and the fire of 7 volcanoes. मिला कर रख देंगे सब जंजीरों को। We'll break all the chains, जिस chains ने इस हमारी बहनों को, बेटियों को और दलितों को दबा के रखा है। गुलाम उठ, क्या बात है, गुलाम उठ तू अपने बाजुओं से इंतकाम ले, तू अपने दोनों खंजरों से, क्या बात है, दुश्मनों से क्या काम है, मीन तो अमर वो देश क्यों ना हो कि तू जहां शहीद हो, पीपल नो दे काट भी गए, जब से कहते हैं चलो रे, ये कस बात है ना कि एकला चलो रे, यदि तो दक्षिणा नहीं आते थे स्टिल, और लोग खुशी से खुशीराम बोस 11 बरस में जब फांसी गया है। So you will find is that this concept you know is very vast. हम जैसे सेशन बाद में करता हूँ, कहते what a piece of work is a man, how noble in reason, infinite faculties, in form and moving of action, admirable, napping a whole God. फिर भी कहते फिर भी क्या है, but yet what is it to me? Quintessence of dust. हम it's up to us whether it become a piece of dust or it become the infinite gods. अहम ब्रह्मस्मि पहचानिए अपने आप को, तत्वमसि जो कहते कहा गया, या तो अपने हम के ब्रह्म का पहचानिए, अपनी अवेकनिंग और पावर्स, अपने आपके प्राण में कोश, अन्न में कोश, आनंद में कोश, ज्ञान में कोश को, ब्रह्म कोश को जगाइए, तो और उसके या उसको या फिर अपने एक घटिया जीवन बना के एक घटिया जीवन में अपना जीवन बिताते रहिए, अपने सेल्फ सेंटर हो गए। अब कहना हार्ट आपका से सब काम, ईटिंग, स्लीपिंग, फियर, ब्रीडिंग चिल्ड्रन, सब एनिमल्स भी करते हैं। विद्या मुनिको विशेष, this beast, man is just a beast to do all this, but God has given us this large discourse. ये लार्ज डिस्कोर्स इतना क्वालिटी में देने के बाद फिर भी अगर हम एक सिंपल लाइफ लीड करें तो उसके हमारे क्या फायदा। तो मेरी 2 मिनट एक जो मैं बिटिया को I give all my blessings to her and I want to give every appreciation. I want, this book is so enriching and enlightening and so uplifting, you know. Okay, it lifts you, if you read the entire book, it lifts you mentally, morally and to enlightenment also. जिसमें के बाद में वो उसका एक लिमिट नहीं है। बुद्धा की इक्विपॉइस भी है, इक्वानिमिटी भी है, पीस भी है, ट्रांक्विलिटी ऑफ माइंड भी है और एक पैटिनेस से राइज करने की बात भी है। बट एज ए एग्जांपल ऑफ इलस्ट्रेशन ऑफ हर विजन, आई वांट टू कोट फ्रॉम 2 of her poems. One is about success, one is about beauty. बट ब्यूटी की बात मैं जो आपके पास करूँ खास चलिए उसी टाइम कम हो गया, ब्यूटी बात करता हूँ 131 पेज पे। बिकॉज उसकी अपनी ग्रेस का और इज ए वेरी द होल फ्रेग्रेंस दैट सराउंड्स यू। ब्यूटी रिजाइड्स इन द सिंपलिसिटी ऑफ पर्ल, प्योरिटी, रिजाइड्स इन द विजडम ऑफ एन एनलाइटेंड मास्टर। जो बुद्धा की जो ओशो की जो महात्मा गांधी की समझे, beauty resides in the visualizing light out of the darkest, to feel that you can give that every night 12 बजे के बाद 2 बजे के बाद dawn आएगी ही आएगी। And then beauty resides in the visualizing the light of darkness, beauty resides in the fantasy of an imaginary, you can imagine the world, resides in the transcending from ordinary to extraordinary, in going from your crossing your frontiers of your powers and possibilities, resides in the fantasy of an imaginary, beauty resides in the vivid imagination of a writer. Moment writer writes, प्रेमचंद की जो लिखते थे ना अपनी गरीबी में भी अपना खुद बेच के लिखते थे प्रेमचंद जी, उसकी खूबसूरती है तभी इतने बड़े ग्रेट नंबर दिया भाई। ब्यूटी resides in the attraction of a magnet, beauty all of us can be, हम सब में मैग्नेट है, आप में लोग होना चाहिए मैग्नेट कीजिएगा। Beauty resides in the minutest separation of the world, beauty resides in the heart full of generosity, जो दिल बहुत बड़ा है, जनरस है। सबसे बड़ी बात जो उन्होंने लिखी है जो और लोग नहीं पहचान सकते, beauty resides in the moment when we kill our vanity, humility and selflessness में, egoishness में। beauty resides ये सबसे बड़ी बात जो और नहीं कहीं कोई कम लिखे लोग लिखेंगे, इनकी रीच में आया था कि beauty also reside in the highest level of insanity, और दीवानेपन की जो खूबसूरती होती है। जुल्म है, अत्याचार है, औरतों के प्रति, बेटियों के प्रति, गरीबों के प्रति, उसको हम खत्म कर सकें। लास्ट सेंटेंस में खत्म करने के बाद एक सेंटेंस बोलता हूँ, गाने का सेंटेंस है कि इन काली सदियों के सर से जब रात का दामन चल उतरेगा, जब सुख के बादल दुख के बादल पिघलेंगे और जब धरती झूम के नाचेगी, जब अंबर झूम के नाचेगा और धरती नगमे गाएगी, वो सुबह इन्हीं से आएगी, अभी क्या है आप कब से आए?
And presenting next to you is Ruchika's beautiful sister. We have been hearing a lot about the book. Now we need to hear about the author as well. Presenting beautiful sister Tina.
1 minute, Tina को मैं और कर दूँगा।
That's beautiful, Tina.
But that's yours.
The Diva's sister. And I would like to just start on a very lighter note. She just mentioned about the pressure on girls about marriage in Indian society. So I'll just say, Ruchika, do not worry. Even Salman Khan has his impressions.
Yes.
So as far as my book is concerned, yes, I have read it, and it has in fact helped me compile a new poem out of all the poems that I could read. Beautifully, wonderfully written. What I found about book is that it is nothing but a promise. It's a promise to yourself. Promise yourself to be so strong that nothing can disturb your peace of mind. Promise yourself to talk health, happiness, prosperity to every person you meet. Promise yourself to make all your friends feel that there is something special in them. Promise yourself to look at the sunny side of everything and make your optimism come true. Promise yourself to be just as enthusiastic about the success of others as you are about your own success. Promise yourself to forget the mistakes of the past and press on to greater achievements in the future. Promise yourself to wear a cheerful countenance at all times and give every living creature you meet a smile. Promise yourself to give so much time to the improvement of yourself that you have no time to criticize others. Promise yourself to be too large for worry, too noble for anger, too strong for fear, and too happy to permit the presence of trouble. Promise to think well of yourself and to proclaim this fact to the world, not in loud words, but through great deeds. Promise to live in faith that the whole world is on your side as long as you are true to yourself. Last but not the least, promise to turn selfish. Yes, you heard me right.
Excellent.
I said selfish. Consider an analogy where someone injures your loved one and runs away. What would be your priority at that particular moment? Would it be to run after that person, or would it be to take the loved one to the hospital? So, my dears, in life, that loved one is your own heart and peace of mind. Turn selfish.
Excellent. Excellent. I think this is the best.
I would like to conclude by saying a few words, some self-written lines for my lovely sister. People may gift you lots of presents. What I have got is my heart's present. The things you get are all material, which vanish as the time goes unreal. But one thing immortal that you will see till last is the love that germinates for you in my heart.
A token of thanks to Miss Tina. A huge round of applause for both of them. On the stage, the spine of Anuradha Prakashan. She is that member of the family who has always been with us and for us. She will recite a beautiful poem written by Ruchika Dhawan. A huge round of applause to Miss Priyanka.
Good evening to our respected guests, members, writers, social workers, and ladies and gentlemen. First of all, heartiest congratulations to Ms. Ruchika Dhawan for her tremendous and such a wonderful work summed up in a form of a book, A Route to Transformation. I present a poem written by Ruchika Dhawan, Courage. Courage is the backbone of freedom. Courage is the successor of Jesus. Courage lies in the feather of an eagle. Courage lies in the mind of a free bird. Courage is wanting to rise above and go beyond. Courage is looking inward without fear. Courage is loving every speed with all our might. Courage is turning enemies into allies. Courage is forgetting flaws of the past. Courage is attempting to create new from the last. With courage, we climb the highest ladder of success. With courage, we draw the highest dimension of progress. Thank you and best of wishes to Ms. Ruchika Dhawan.
Yeah, please.
of wisdom. A huge round of applause for her.
I've actually been at this part of this event accidentally. I came to visit my sister from UK. I work in actually, I'm a nursing tutor, and I literally came to visit her. I never knew I was coming to this event, but I'm very happy. I feel privileged to be among such learned people. Congratulations, dear. And I know you must have dreamt something, that's why you've achieved it. So I wish you good luck. Hope your dreams come true. Never let your dreams shrink. Just as I suggest, supersize your dreams. Supersize your abilities so that you achieve them more. Everyone nowadays, they just want to fly. No one, I'm sure all of us can't fly. All I can say is if you can't fly, run. If you can't run, you can walk. If you can't walk, you can actually crawl. But the whole
And we have someone to honor her, Dr. Okisha Vams. This is a special episode of a reality show. We're talking about for sisters. Now, देखो जिनके पास अपनी आवाज नहीं है, क्यों? क्योंकि वे बहुत भयभीत हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें अपने आप से ज्यादा अपने भय को सम्मान देना सिखाया जाता है। उन्हें सिखाया जाता है कि मौन ही उन्हें बचाएगा। मैं उन्हीं की एक आवाज हूँ, उनके लिए ज्ञान का प्रकाश हूँ। मैं भी नहीं हूँ, हम में हूँ, एक जगह नहीं, कण-कण में हूँ। जी हाँ दोस्तों, ऐसी ही एक शख्सियत श्रीमती कविता मल्होत्रा से मैं आपका परिचय कराता हूँ। आप अनुराग प्रकाशन की संरक्षक हैं, सीता फूड्स में हिंदी स्क्रिप्ट राइटर हैं, मानवता पुस्तक की संपादक और समाज सेवी हैं, और सूर्य को दीपक दिखाने की आवश्यकता तो आइए उनके शब्दों को उन्हीं की ज़बानी सुनते हैं।
Good evening, friends. Congratulations, Ruchika. मंचा सीन्स और योजना को अवसर मेरा हार्दिक अभिनंदन और नमन। समस्त उत्कर्ष मेरी परिवार की तरफ से रूट टू ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की जननी को मैं हार्दिक बधाई और प्रगति के पथ पर अग्रसर रहने के लिए शुभाशीष और शुभकामनाएं दी। आपकी बुक में से मैं 2 लाइन पढ़ूंगी। Earlier I complained, why am I so different? But now I celebrate the difference.
That's beautiful.